Hello everyone and welcome back to another Bitcoin portfolio update. So for those of you that are new, what the goal of this playlist I'm creating is to update you guys weekly on my Bitcoin or my 100% Bitcoin portfolio that I have here. And the other goal is to hold on to BTC throughout this 2024 and 2025 bull run. So currently it is July 11th. I have 1.139 Bitcoin. I invested a total of 70 or 80,000 into this, and with a average price of 70,000. So if you guys look on my previous update videos, you'll know that my all-time high or all-time returns for this trade is actually not up 7,000. It's currently wrong. It should say that I'm down. I think it's about 13,000. So truly, I'm down 13,000 at the moment, not up 7,000. On the app, it says something. It says the correct amount is on the app. So if you guys have Coinbase out as well, you might notice a difference between desktop and the mobile version. So, so yeah. So again, the goal is to just update you guys weekly on the portfolio and to keep track of Bitcoin and be part of be part of Bitcoin as it reaches $100,000 later this year for the first time ever. So it's a very important moment. It's a very special moment, especially since we are like I think it's like hopefully 2 months away from the first interest rate cut of this year, which would be a very bullish thing as well for Bitcoin. We're currently sitting at $65,849. So we'll see how the rest of July goes, and we will see how the rest of 2024 goes. So I don't plan to do anything. I did wanted to add more funds into this trade so I can sit instead of having like 80,000 invested, I can have 90 or 100,000 invested. But Bitcoin did jump up from the low 50,000, so I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. I would like to add more if this falls to the lower half of 50,000 and stays there for a bit. But I'm going to jump into trading view for a moment. And again, guys, I'm not going to try to be too detailed on this one. It's just a little snapshot of my portfolio where we're currently at. So, or in this bull market. So, so yeah, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, and again, it's also to give my opinions on Bitcoin, my thoughts, and just kind of just let words come out and not have I don't have a script or anything for this. So so yeah, we're currently like down here. We're in. I think we're roughly three three months after the halving event. Uh, yeah, I think we're like 3 months after the halving event, and Bitcoin did rise a bit, close to like all-time highs. Then it fell back down and created a new low on this overall swing low right here. And I really feel like this is a major buying opportunity for a lot of people that want to take part of Bitcoin. And there's so many other, in my opinion, alternative coin or altcoins like Solana and there's Binance, there's Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum. I feel like they all have an incredible Cardano and an incredible future in this space, and I truly believe that Bitcoin is, you know, just getting started. We're under $60,000, and I'm expecting by the end of the year this to be like at 100,000, and then from there on throughout 2025 we're going to see it, in my opinion, trend much higher than 100,000 as well. I think this is an incredible tech. I feel like uh, there's a big future here. I feel like current prices are going to look very small, although large. Current prices are going to look very small in the future, and just like every other And again, this is not my opinion, but just like every other amazing rise, we see a dip, a lot of people fear, and then we see another rise. And the moment the other rise happens, everyone just forgets about, all this fear, this downtrend. Like this right here felt like it took a very long time. This also took like a few months right here, and then we had a rise, and everyone just forgot about those few months. Like in like 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks, everyone forgets about the last like 3 months or whatever, and then we start downtrending again. We have a big dip, and like, oh, trending sideways and going down a little bit for another handful of months, and then just in like a week or two, prices rise so much that everyone just forgets about the last 3 months. Uh, you know, it's insane. It's just how it is. I feel like this is something. If you guys keep track of, a lot of cryptos, pretty much every crypto, uh, and you see like this consistency of going down, going sideways, and then out of nowhere we go up for like a week, and then everyone just forgets about the last few months, and then we uptrend for quite some time. Like this second to third wave right here lasted quite a bit. That was really cool. Like just saw a price go up, like 300% or so. Actually, it was like a little under 200%. But we just see the price go up quite a bit, and then we're in that phase where we're seeing like you know a handful of months of uh, downtrending consolidation, and then quickly everyone forgets about it when Bitcoin goes up a lot. Everyone gets hopeful, and now we're again on another just a little bit uh, of downward consolidation, and then we're going to see the price eventually go up, and everyone's going to forget about like all this right here. Everyone forgot about all this when this happened. Now all of this, everyone's going to forget about this when this happened. Everyone just forgets about it. Just like back here, it's like everyone forgets about all this downward movement. No one's really keeping track of the price structures. No one's doing or sticking with their basic technical analysis. Just looking at pretty just basic stuff like you know a lot of this is fading away from people's memories. The FTX crash seemed like at the end of the world, and then a quick recovery happened, and everyone forgets about it. It's just how it works. It's just how it works. Again, it's all just my opinion, but I feel like a lot of you can relate to this as well. But yeah, we're currently sitting below 60,000. Our portfolio is down a little over 10,000 right now on this Bitcoin trade, and we're gonna stick through it. Of course, we have a few months left till the end of the year, a handful of months, and then I mean everything from now on is gonna be amazing. I really don't feel like Bitcoin has much. I feel like the bottom may be in. If we do see one more low, it's gonna be super brief and quick. I really believe that the rest of this year is gonna be very rewarding for a lot of crypto swing traders and just people that are just investing it and not plan to sell anytime soon. That everyone's gonna get rewarded. Just be patient. Don't have any doubts. It's just a game of understanding structures, under, understanding yourself, and then just moving forward from there. Be patient, and then I feel like for the first or the uh, Q1, Q2, and Q3 of 2025 are going to be extremely rewarding. I don't plan to take any. I don't plan to take any long trades on any crypto uh, starting the second half of the third quarter of 2025. I feel like that's gonna be a little bit too far off in my opinion. I feel like that's already when you know uh, the bull market cycle may be ending. I feel like, from there on, it's just I'm gonna step out. It could go up a lot more from there, but I'm gonna, you know, step away from that. For this swing trade I'm tracking, I plan to start averaging out of it once we reach 100,000, just slowly taking some out, and then any leftover cash, just putting it in on a dip or something. But just I want to start averaging out of this trade once we hit six digits, and then, but I mean, like, real slowly. I want to average out of it throughout the entire 2025, and just slowly take out profit and take out profit as we go up. That's my goal, my objective with this swing trade. I may be adding more to it later this year. It just depends what the price does, but I'm very, very happy with being a whole coiner um, in this historic cycle where we hit six digits for the first time. So I'm more than satisfied with that. I just gonna be keeping you guys updated weekly, and my thoughts on what's going on. And before I wrap it up, there's also a lot of news articles coming out about head of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, uh, you know, talking about the risk of keeping interest rates high for too long. And we currently had today a inflation report that came out, and it looks like we got 3% on something here. I don't remember. Can't find the article now. But things are looking good. We can, early third quarter of this year, probably even like right at the end of third quarter, right at the end of the current quarter, we could be finished. I see an interest rate cut coming up real soon. I don't feel like it's too far off. Probably no more than 3 months away. So yeah, guys. That's my thoughts a little bit on Bitcoin, and a quick update on this portfolio. And I hope you guys have a great day and take care.